Good evening mga kapuso! Hindi napigilang maging emotional si global fashion icon Heart Evangelista nang ipaalala sa kanya ang aspirations ng kanyang younger self. At kahit malayo na ang kanyang narating, hindi nakakalimutan ni Heart na ibalik sa iba ang success na tinatamasa. Ang pagpapatuloy ng GMA Integrated News Interviews with Heart, ichichika ni Nelson Canlas.
Heart is in the right place. Pagdating sa mga pangarap na natupad niya, sa maturity na nabuo niya sa maraming taon, at sa mga laban na kanyang napagtagumpayan, Heart Evangelista is definitely more than just a survivor. Utang niya raw ito sa mga nagmamahal sa kanya hanggang ngayon. Sa pagpapatuloy ng aming interview, ikinwento ng global fashion icon na natuto na siya to choose her battles.
Learn to excuse yourself from situations and environments that will not do well for your mental health. Know your limits, know the other person's limits, be okay to say goodbye, and be at peace with your decisions. Forgive yourself, and then that will keep you young, and just be grateful.
Marami na raw ang nawala sa kanyang buhay. Marami ding dumating at may ilan na labis na nagpasaya sa kanyang puso. Nang nagbalik, isa na rito ang kanyang kaibigan, si Kapuso Primetime Queen Marian Rivera.
I never had a problem with Marian. We never had a problem with each other. It was just the circumstances and the environment.
You missed her?
I missed her. Kasi naman sa totoo lang, I love women that are very feisty and empowered. And si Marian, prangka siyang tao eh. Ako soft lang ako, siya strong. So I'm always drawn to that.
Sa lahat ng saya at tagumpay na natatamasa ni Heart ngayon, marapat lang daw that she pays it forward. Kabilang dito ang ginagawa niyang pagtulong sa pamamagitan ng Senate Spouses Foundation Incorporated noong nakaraang Biyernes sa gitna ng kanilang pamamahagi ng tulong sa mga nasalanta ng baha sa Marikina. Nakita niyang muli ang Pamilya Asuncion. Nag-iwan daw kasi ng marka ang pamilya mula nang makasama sila ni Heart sa isang episode ng kanyang 2017 reality show na Follow Your Heart.
They're such a loving family and grabe. And I'm so happy to hear na cum laude siya nag-graduate, pati yung kapatid niya nag-graduate. Si tatay at nanay, they're still working, but now yung pamilya nila, they're thriving.
Sa layo ng narating niya, it might be a good time to pause and look back. Dito, ipinakita ko kay Heart ang isinulat niya sa kanyang grade school yearbook nung panahong nangangarap pa lang siya.
This is how you described yourself. I'm very understanding and down to earth. I love animals. I'm fond of painting and acting. I hope to become an actress someday.
Tiyak naman ako dyan. Grabe naman yan. Yeah, because I really believe in that. I really believe in that. And I'm so grateful. Actually, I forgot about that. I'm grateful that I was able to live.
Lahat yan tinupad mo, Heart.
Kaya nga, thank you. Thank you, Lord. I'm proud to say that the little girl in me is still alive. Diba? Despite all of my heartbreak. She was heard. So, wow, thank you for that. Grabe naman yan.
Do you have any message to that old Heart?
I'm proud of you. Nakatuwa ka naman, kahit ang arte-arte mo. Nag-choker pa ako niyan sa school, pinagtatawanan nila ako. Pero at least, diba, nagpakatotoo lang ako. Maarte ako, pero mabuti ako. Tambi narating ang kaartehan ko.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.